Temporary lakes formed by seasonal precipitation, such as rain and snow, are at first oligotrophic, meaning cold, containing high concentrations of oxygen and devoid of nutrients. With time, organic matter from plant and animal life progressively accumulates. During hot and dry seasons, nutrient concentration increases. Decomposition of dead organic material consumes dissolved oxygen, and the lakes become more and more eutrophic, meaning warm, rich in nutrients, but with little dissolved oxygen. The concentration of foraging predators on shrinking lakes, like great egrets and great blue herons, increases the competition, often resulting in aggression.